Microsoft Edge browser is one of the popular web browsers across different platforms. Chrome users who want to sync their preference to Edge no need to worry about losing their bookmarks and extension. Now that Edge is Chromium based, you can simply import all your settings from Chrome to Edge. Welcome to this channel. Today I am going to show you how to import extension from Google Chrome to Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. So first you have to open your Chrome browser. From the top right corner you will find the three dots vertical line. Click on this. From here you have to click on settings, and from here, from the left side panel, you will find extension. So click on extension. From this page you can find these are the extension I have in my Google Chrome. So I need to simply import all these settings from Chrome to Edge. So these are the extensions that I have in my Chrome browser. So upper right corner you will find the puzzle icon. If you click on this icon, you can find all the extensions you are having. So by click on this pin, you can easily place those extensions in this here. So these are the extensions, so I need to transfer it to Edge. So for that I need to open my Microsoft Edge. From here you can see there is no extensions available. So I want to transfer all these extensions from Chrome to Edge. So for that, in the upper right corner you will find the three dots. Click on this. After that, click on settings. And from this settings menu there is a UR profile sections. So under UR profile sections you will find import browser data. So click on this, and here you will find import from other browsers. Import browsers data now. Import favorite, password, history and other browser data from other browser or an HTML file. So click on choose what to import. Here you will find choose what to import. Favorite or bookmark, saved password, personal information, payment information. So in that case I want to only transfer all my extensions. So I need to deselect this and simply click on extension and import from Google Chrome. Here you will find from where you want to import. There are the options, but I am choosing Google Chrome. So this is my profile. Now click on import. All done. Extension migration will continue in the background. So click on done. So after few minutes you just click on this icon, and after that click on extension in Microsoft Edge. So you will definitely find all the extension that you have in your Chrome browser is already been transferred to the Microsoft Edge, and from here you will also pin this. That's it. This is how you can simply import all your settings from Chrome to Edge seamlessly. So hope this video will help you. Please do like, subscribe and share it with others, and of course press the bell icon to get new video updates. So thank you and see you in my next video.